Ano nangyayari sa ating forces ngayon? Akala ko professional tayo.
Yun.
They are only taking orders from the chain of command.
Yung tanong kasi ni Maharlika masyadong masakit, 'di ba? Pero gusto ko lang tanungin sa iyo kung kasi yesterday I appreciated really your courtesy towards the resource persons and how it was so statesmanlike and like a senator, no? And then so nagulat ako that they felt that way. And of course you have to listen to the people. And what I hear is their pain and their distrust towards government. No, nabayaran na siguro yan. Nabayaran kasi ito namang mga ito, yan lang one act pony, lahat na lang binabayaran. Yan nila Martin Romualdez, alam natin yan, di ba? So sir, gusto ko lang tanungin sa inyo kung naiintindihan ninyo ang taong bayan na ganito kami magtanong, ganito kaming nasasaktan na. No?
Right, sir.
Well, naintindihan ko kayo kung kayo nasasaktan, pero sana naman kung kayo nasasaktan, huwag rin naman yung saktan yung tao na dapat hindi saktan.
Tama din yun.
Like me.
Tama din yun.
It is very impossible. It's very irresponsible na because nasaktan na kayo, kahit sino na lang ang dapat saktan ninyo dahil kayo nasaktan. So, you're indiscriminately firing your guns dahil tinamaan kayo. Kahit sinong dapat tamaan, automatic na yung armas nyo. Tamaan na kung sinong tamaan dahil kahit na friendly forces, tatamaan ninyo dahil galit kayo, dahil nasaktan na kayo. Mali po yun. We have to be discriminate in everything.
Perfectly
ako'y
said.
tao lang rin. Kahit na sabihin mong ako'y senador, dapat hindi maging balat sibuyas. No, tao pa rin ako. Nasasaktan pa rin ako. Lalong-lalo na kung akusasyon ay hindi totoo at very damaging. Hindi ko talaga papalampasin yan.
Yun.
Hindi ko talaga pinapalampas.
Ayun, sir.
Ganda.
Maganda yung paliwanag ninyo.
We have to stay united, all of us,
Yes,
in
sir.
whatever part of the political fence you're on. No?
Yeah. Sir, ito sir, may tanong na medyo mabigat. You may or you may not answer, but we will take this opportunity na nandyan ka para itanong sa iyo ito.
Yes.
Ang national security interests and national security policy on security matters related to drug operations, law enforcement, ay nakasalang dito sa Morales Pedialix revelations. Kaya mo inimbestigahan. But kalat na rin, sir, sa internet at sa social media, ang isang napaka-questionabling illegal na operation. May tape recording, may video ng extraction involving Intelligence Service of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Sa Turkey ginawa. Private individuals ang involved at ang nagdidirihe ng operation, including ang mga command line, ay ang First Lady. At ito'y mga 2 buwan ng kumakalat. Senator Bato, we do not know kung ito ba'y mahuhulog sa komitiba mo. At kung hindi ito, sigurado check, hindi ito pakikialaman ng Kongreso doon kina Martin Romualdez. Kasi alam natin kung anong purpose nila, rubber stamp ang operation doon, pang cover up sila sa mga kapalpakan ng administrasyon. That's the truth. Now, mas matindi po ito, sir. Kung mamarapatin po ninyo, Senator Bato, I know nakaabot na ito sa inyo, na ginagamit ang ISAF for extraction operation sa foreign country na ka-diplomatic relation natin, and then ang nagdidirihe, hindi presidente. First Lady without any accountability or any authority in power. Senator Bato, can this be not included in the next investigation that will be seriously undertaken by the Senate through your facilitation, kung hindi man sa komitiba ninyo, because this is a serious national security interest of the people?
Titingnan natin, Eric. I will consider that. I will really seriously consider that. Pero kailangan muna natin yung mga recordings or what, dahil hindi ko pa nakita yan.
Yes, sir.
Titingnan natin. But when you said na through First Lady, we have to settle the fact that we have to admit the fact that the First Lady is not a member of the chain of command.
Correct.
Hindi ito siya pwede mag-direct, mag-command ng any member of the armed forces of the Philippines, lalong-lalo na kung operations ay outside of our jurisdiction. Yun po ang klaro po yan na dapat hindi po tayo magtitake ng orders from unauthorized orders not coming from the chain of command.
Correct, klaro, sir. And ma'am, there is no denial, sir. We don't want to put you on the spotlight. There is no denial, but rather deafening silence on the existence of recordings in video pertaining to the involvement of First Lady Araneta Marcos and the President himself is not speaking out, not even the Chief of Staff and the Chief of ISAP of the Armed Forces. Nakakabahala po ito, Senator Bato. But again, we do not want to put you in the spotlight as if kontrabida ka na ngayon. But this is, sabi mo, the price of truth. If it will be coming out in the open, so be it. Thank you, sir.
Well,
Sir.
well, hindi po, Kerry, we should hold the leadership of the armed forces of the Philippines accountable to all their actions. Ito actions na ginawa ng kanilang mga operatiba na ang nagbibigay ng instructions is not a member of the chain of command.
Correct.
Ng armed forces. Ano nangyayari sa ating armed forces ngayon? Akala ko professional tayo.
Yun.
They are only taking orders from the chain of command.
No.
Claro, sir. Thank you.
Senator, you said that Lisa Araneta Marcos is not in the chain of command. No, but
Yes.
is she above the law?
Yun.
No.
Good question.
No.
No. Is the-
Everyone, kahit ng presidente.
Yes.
Nobody's above the law.
Is
Nobody's
this,
above the law.
Senator, kasi this past 2 years of the Bongbong Marcos administration, parang hindi na maliwanag yun eh. So gusto lang namin marinig sa isang senator na pinagkakatiwalaan ng bayan. Is this still true? That nobody is above the law? Not even the First Lady nor the President?
Nobody is above the law. Nobody. Not even the
To this day.
First Lady, not even the President.
Thank you.
To this day.
Yes.
To this day. Sana, the same holds true sa pag-iisip ng lahat ng law enforcement agencies at lahat ng membro ng criminal justice system ng ating bansa, that nobody is above the law.
Yun.
Senator, one last
Sige, ma'am.
pahabol.
Sige, ma'am.
So, if you find out that DG Lazo was lying, no, because he said that and he was just covering up for his appointing power, no, authority, will there be any sanctions?
Well, sigurado mananago siya kung nagsisinungaling siya. Sigurado mananago siya. Mayroong administrative at criminal liability dahil under oath siya, nagsinungaling siya.
Ayun.